Hello everyone, today we'll be unboxing the Blaupunkt BT52 Bluetooth speaker. Let's first see what's mentioned on the box. Here you can find the Blaupunkt original trademark, and besides it you can find that it was established in Germany since 1923. Here it is mentioned that the driver unit is 76 mm, so that is really huge. Larger the driver unit, louder the sound will be. Then you can see dual passive radiator. So radiators are responsible for creating bass. More the radiators, better the bass effect. Then if we turn the box, you can see it has mentioned powerful sound like I already said earlier. Then you can see the connectivity options. It has Bluetooth 4.2, aux in, TF card and FM radio. And obviously the battery indicator and control buttons. On this side, we can find some more specifications like the Bluetooth range is up to 10 meters, battery capacity is of 1200 mAh, which provides battery life of up to 6 hours on default volume. And then we can find the distortion percentage, it's less than even 1%. Now let's see what's inside the box. We can find a user manual, a 3.5 mm audio jack, a USB cable, and obviously the speaker. The speaker grill has been covered with a silky cloth material. It prevents dust and other materials from going inside without disturbing the sound. That's quite a lot of upgrade from its predecessor BT51. I have also done a review of BT51. If you want to know about it, you can check the link above. On the bottom we can find two rubber pads. These were missing in the BT51, which was a major drawback. When you played music at high volumes, the speaker used to move due to the boomy bass. Now this speaker has even louder bass than that, but it won't move because of these rubber pads here. Here we have the power button, input ports for aux, charging and the micro SD card. On top we have the control buttons, play pause button, volume buttons. These buttons can also change the track of the song. This M here represents the mode. So this button can be used to change the input of the sound, say from Bluetooth to FM or SD card. This button can be pressed alternatively to change the mode. Now the main part of the video, that is we are gonna check the sound of the speaker. Let's see.